Alright, end of day, market overview. We are back in action, guys. We got so many positions running right now. It's probably a bit of excessive. We are holding 7 active positions right now. I want to talk about all of them. Let's go right ahead and dive in. First of all, probably one of our favorites right now, dollar Canadian. The way it came back to cross above 28.80 is gold. Talked about that in one of the videos today. Go ahead, check it out. We just doubled down. We got $35,000 position on this one, riding 20 here, another 50, another 10. Sorry, 30. That would be $30,000 position on the dollar Canadian. Euro New Zealand is coming back up a little bit, closing in on price entry, which is good. Take a look at the weekly, pulling back from the encounter with 62.20. How close we were to get stopped out was quite remarkable, right? That was a couple of days ago. So we're still in business here, no doubt. The same with the New Zealand Japanese yen. Right now we are running a $25,000 position and still counting. Looks good, but hey, everything can happen. It might start diving into a bit of a technical correction. We have to be prepared for that as well. Pound Japanese yen didn't do too much yesterday. Didn't give us that, that reason to increase the position size, right? We're still on 5 here. I think we're exposed enough, and like I said, there was no advance here yesterday, nothing significant anyway. So we decided to keep the situation as is. We already have a pretty hefty position on the New Zealand Japanese yen, right? And by association of correlation, it's not justified to increase the position size here. That's how we feel. Risk management, of course. We're coming from that respect. Oh, the most important piece of news for the day today, guys. Euro pound. We've seen enough. You know what I mean? Yesterday when it broke above 84.31, it was okay. It can come back. Yesterday, broke above 84.46. That's where we said we were going to draw the line. And even on top of that, it even spiked slightly, managed to spike slightly from above 84.46. So yeah, looks like this might turn out into a legit breakout. Guess what we did, right? Well, we had to do what we said we would. Right from the get-go. You can check the market watch list. This is actually triggering a bullish campaign, right? So we flipped over. Threw out that 10K we had and took a small loss, by the way, very small. Price action didn't go really too far from price entry. So damage was very limited. And now flipping over and starting the real move that we were expecting to have, right? Which is the move to 85.65. Don't forget that we did catch a nice move from the bottom here all the way to 83.98. So even with the loss we just took here, we're still in profit on the whole situation. And now the main move is coming, right? This is the move we signed up for. What we've done so far was just the warm up. However, it's not confirmed yet. It will be if the weekly bar by the end of the week will remain above the weekly close, of course, above 84.46. That's pretty much it. So yeah, 10K on this one, and then another tiny position like this. Well, small position, not tiny. Tiny is 5K. This is 10K here on the pound US dollar. Definitely not much to talk about. It's kind of trading around break-even point. 2 attempts already to cross 21.06. I'm not surprised. I don't think that means that it's going to turn sour. I think it's just buying some time. It's kind of bottoming out. So yeah, we're still keeping this position alive. Last one is a new one. Not familiar. I mean, yeah, you're familiar with the situation here. We've been talking about Canadian Swiss franc for quite some time. We're keeping a healthy relationship with it. We decided it's time to take action, fired off 10K. 5 here, another 5 in a different account. So we're thinking it's time. It's definitely been buying time here, but I think that's it. It's been first break-in, then a hold for a full month. It was coming up, right? Stretching it. you know, spiking that 74.63, and even this month again hammered on the right at the beginning, right off the gate. It was hammering again, stretching it, setting up traps, spiking at 74.63, and now turning red, right? Turning negative. We think this is the moment. It's gonna start. It's gonna complete the move to 73.19. It's not a huge move, 80 pip, but hey, we're ready to cash that move. So let's see how that goes. 75. That's the stop loss level, and these are the whole 9 yards. These are the 7 positions we have in place. I thought I was gonna skip the crypto markets today because I talked a lot about the whole market in one of the videos today. So go ahead and check that out. But that's pretty much it for the day today. Hope you enjoy the rest of it, guys. I'm gonna be back tomorrow as usual. Take care.